Time to harvest some more blueberries. Look at these beautiful blueberries. Oh boy. I had the netting around it to make sure the birds didn't get to it. Now it's time for me to harvest some more blueberries. Oh, look at all of those beautiful blueberries there. Yay! Oh Lord, some has dropped down in the bucket. I'm gonna have to get those. Okay, let me harvest these blueberries. Oh boy. I know they're gonna taste great. Okay, look at that beautiful blueberry. Let me taste this one. Mmm, tastes so sweet. Okay. Get over here and harvest these blueberries. Birds, y'all can't have these. No, 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 no birds. No birds gonna eat these. Okay, okay, blueberries. Looking great. More to come, more to come. I see you. Ooh, this one over here is got nothing but blueberries on it. Okay, let me get over here and harvest you. Okay, looking great. Okay, I have a lot of blueberries to harvest. Looking good. I know y'all gonna taste great. Okay, come on the rest of you blueberries. Come on in. Turn blue. Grow us a lot more. A lot more blueberries. That we can come back and harvest again. Yay! Blueberries grown in Big Mama's garden.